Hello good people, and welcome back to another math video. This one reviewing the integer rules that we've learned in the last week and a half. It's only good news in this video. It's everything you already know, and there's only 5 rules. First up, adding integers. There are 2 rules here. Rule number 1. If the signs are the same, just add and keep the sign. For example, 2 plus 3. These are both positive numbers. I'm going to add them and keep the sign. The answer is 5. Negative 2 plus negative 3. The signs are the same. They're both negative. I'm going to add them up and keep the sign. Okay, now for second rule for adding continued. Rule number 2. If the signs are different, subtract and keep the sign of the bigger digit. What's that look like? Well, 12 plus negative 4. I'm going to subtract these. 12 minus 4 is 8, and I'm going to keep the sign of the bigger digit. That's the 12. 12 is positive. My answer is going to be positive. Let's see. 12 plus negative 20. I'll subtract these. 20 minus 12 is 8. I'll keep the sign of the larger digit. That's the 20. My answer is negative. Negative 8. Subtracting. Good news, there's only one rule. Keep, change, change. If you were in math class, we have sung the song many times. I even wore a dress to help you remember this. Okay, keep, change, change. What does this look like? 10 minus 14. I'm going to keep the 10. Change my minus sign to a plus sign. Keep my positive 14, and I'm going to change that into a negative 14. So now I have 10 plus negative 14. You've already seen this. It's right here. These signs are different. So I'm going to subtract the numbers. 14 minus 10 is 4. What's the sign on the bigger digit? Negative. The answer is negative 4. So really, there's only one rule for subtraction, because after you do keep, change, change, you have an addition problem. Go back to your addition rules. Alright, multiplying and dividing. Oops, sorry. Multiplying and dividing integers. 2 rules. Rule number 1. If the signs are the same, it's always positive. So, here are my signs that are the same. 2 times 4. They're both positive numbers. My answer will be a positive number because the signs are the same. Negative 2 times negative 4. My signs are the same. This will be a positive number. This one is weird, but you can go back and watch the other video for an explanation of why this is. The second rule for multiplying and dividing, if the signs are different, the answer will be negative. So if I have negative 2 times positive 4, my answer will be a negative number, negative 8. Doesn't matter if we do the other order. 4 times negative 4 will be a negative 16. That's it. 5 rules total. 2 for adding, 1 for subtracting, and 2 for multiplying and dividing. If you want a more in-depth explanation on either one of those, go back and watch the other 2 videos. See you soon.